Hello friends. Today we have yet another type of Domal 40 casement hinge from our portfolio, in which this is the hinge how it looks, very well powder coated, and plastic bushing from one side and stainless steel rod from the other. This is the full rod which gets inserted into the plastic bush. From another side, it is half for the better working. As you can see here, this is how it is supplied with the two counter plates and four stainless steel screws. After assembly, it looks like this. And after fixing in the profile, it fits very well inside the profile like this. If you have any orders, please let us know on the number along with this video. Can you show here? Or you can show just from this side. Thank you.